Hi guys, this is Miss Sneha and welcome back to a brand new vlog. It's been a long time. I have not posted any long vlog in my channel since long time. So today I came up with a long vlog and today's vlog will be all about a birthday. And basically this year my mama is turning 50. So today's vlog will be all about my mama's birthday. So I'm going to share you all those things which I have prepared for him, because this year I want to make him feel more special because he is turning 50 this year, so it should be. So I have planned a lot of things basically. So today I'm starting this video from my terrace. Today is 26th of April and 27th of April my mama is having his birthday. I mean tomorrow he is having his birthday and today I'm making this vlog because आज घर में होने वाला है decorations. घर में नहीं, sorry, terrace पे. Because the party we are throwing will be in the terrace. हम लोग terrace पे सारा कुछ arrangements and all सब कुछ किए. So हम लोग का जो terrace है वो पूरा सजने वाला है आज. एंड आज डेकोरेटर्स भी आने वाले हैं, सब कुछ डेकोरेशंस वगैरह होने वाला है हम लोग के घर में. तो प्लीज़ सेव दिस ब्लॉग टिल द एंड. और आप लोगों को अगर अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना. तो चलो अभी मैं आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ कि मैंने डेकोरेशंस के लिए क्या क्या खरीदी है. दिस इज़ द बैग. इतना कुछ खरीद के लाया हम, इतना कुछ पूरा बैग भर के लाए हम लोग खरीद के. कल गए थे एंड दुकान में जाके इतना कुछ पसंद आ गया कि सब कुछ लेकर आए. सच में लाइक मैं आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ क्या क्या है एग्जैक्टली. फर्स्ट कम्स 2 पैकेट ऑफ बलून. मिक्स कलर का बलून्स है तो मिक्स कलर लाई. एंड देन कम्स 2 कैंडल्स. देन 50th ईयर ऑफ बर्थडे है तो इसीलिए 50 लिखा हुआ जो बलून है वो वाला बलून लाई. एक 5 और एक 0. एक पैकेट नैपकिन. ये वाली चीज़ तो मुझे बहुत पसंद आई. डैट इज़ वाइट क्लॉथ जो हम लोग देखते हैं यूट्यूब पे कि बैकग्राउंड के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. कुछ इस तरह यूज़ किया जाता है ना. तो ये भी उधर पे थी तो मैं ये भी लाई एंड पूरा ऐसे ही सजाने वाली हूँ मैं बैकग्राउंड का. देन कम्स दिस वन. ये क्या है मैं आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ. नहीं ये बॉम्ब नहीं है, ना ही सेल है. इसको जलाने के बाद कलर्स निकलते हैं एंड इट्स लुक गुड. एंड बर्थडे पे अगर मैं इसको यूज़ करूँगी तो बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. सो आई हैव बॉट दिस वन एज वेल. देन कम्स वन अनदर थिंग दैट इज़ दिस ब्लास्टर. ये ब्लास्टर का खासियत ये है कि इसके अंदर से ना पैसा निकलता है जो कि ऑब्वियसली फॉल्स है, नकली है, बट इसके अंदर से पैसा निकलेगा जब मैं इसको ब्लास्ट करूँगी. बेसिकली इन सब चीज़ों के बाद और कुछ डेकोरेशंस का चीज़ है नहीं. बैग इतना फुल हो चुकी है सिर्फ ये इस सब चीज़ों के लिए. 2 ग्लासेस, चाय पीने की या फिर कॉफ़ी पीने की ग्लासेस, थम्स अप या फिर जूसेस की ग्लासेस, प्लेट्स, स्टार्टर का प्लेट्स, वुडन स्पून for starter purpose. This lastly these are the steaks which I have taken because I will make kebabs in his birthday. Means tomorrow in his tomorrow's party I will be making kebab and chana masala and yeah ये दोनों बनाऊँ. So yeah, these are the decorations items which I bought yesterday and I think these are enough. अगर कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चाहिए तो फिर बात करते हैं. So now it's time for some skincare. Let's do some skincare now. So basically I will be applying one face mask which is this one and we'll keep it for 15 minutes. Let's do it. Let's wash my face before using this. Basically it's a clay face mask and it also contains charcoal bits in it which really clears the pores. So I'm going to apply it on my face. It basically smells like pastry cake and I really like the smell. So let's apply it on my face. You know what? This face mask is so good. It really clears my face, which I really like it, and I apply it 2 times a week. And this is from Imkafin basically, and I have already posted my Imkafin haul in my YouTube channel as well as in my Facebook channel. So if you have not seen yet, go and watch it. So my face mask applying is done and I'm going to keep it for 15 minutes and after 15 minutes I'm going to wash it. And today I'm also going to use a body scrub for my hand and leg, just as home parlor treatment to yourself to get ready for the party. It's 27th of April and now it's 6 a.m. I woke up just to marinate the chicken. So let's marinate them. marination is done. After marinating the chicken, I went to fish market with mama for buying 3 types of fishes for lunch, and after buying it, there is a famous sweet shop and we never forget to buy sweets from there, so we also had sweets. It was so hot outside, I came back home and had lassi. On the other side, my Jajamona started preparing the mutton as it will take time to cook, and here I also cleaned up my bedroom and went for taking shower and got ready. Today it was such a hectic day, managing everything was quite became difficult. But it's okay. Then we went to my mama ghar and there mommy had also prepared so many dishes. As I said before, there will be 3 types of fishes and rest many more items. So after going there, I had decorated the table nicely and then the Ashirwad session actually started. এই দেখুন গাইস 4 পিস চিংড়ি মাছ 2 পিস পমফ্রেট আর 5 পিস পাবদা খেয়েছি আর কিছু বলতে পারছি না পেটে এত ভর্তি হয়ে গেছে এই দেখুন মুখে একটা গোটা চিংড়ি ঢুকিয়ে দিয়েছে Back home after a very heavy lunch, as you have seen. Oh god, now I'm not feeling to do anything, but still I have to do the kebabs and all. So let's make the kebab now fast because guests are going to come within 7 p.m. They're going to come. So let's make the kebab now. Then I'm going to get ready. There are a lot of things, lot of works to do. Oh my god. Here is our cake, which just arrived. After finally completing all the works, I started blowing the balloons for the decorations and then I got ready. Also few guests started coming and here is my today's look. How I am looking, let me know in the comment section. I tried to capture my mama's raw reaction. Hope you have seen his reaction. He was so happy to see and also got surprised. All our efforts literally got worth it. Then cake cutting happened and then we had our snacks and here is our dinner menu. Then it was dinner time, everyone had their dinner and after the party got ended, we sat for unboxing the gifts. And the best part was every friend of mama had shown so much efforts in packing the gifts, which feels more special. So yeah, I am keeping this vlog till here. I hope you have liked it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.